Aloha everybody, I am here and I am sharing with you this presentation today because I am going to be giving a talk tonight at the Golden Lotus at a Lemuria Rising event. I'm going to give a little meditation at the event, and I wanted to share some of the things. So as I'm preparing for the event today, I wrote a poem about what Lemuria Rising means to me, and I was going to kind of share it here so you guys get to hear it, because you may not be on Kauai and you may not be able to come to the event. But if you're on Kauai, come on down. We're going to be at the Golden Lotus starting at 6:30. And it's an event, and it's a meditation, and it'll be music, and it'll be a really nice event. But since you may not be able to come, I wanted to share this inspirational message that I got today about what Lemuria Rising means to me. Hey, hugs to all from Trinidad. Hey, everybody. Yeah, thanks. Hey, everybody. Yeah, so feel free to ask questions after if you want questions about Lemuria and all that. But here I am on the island of Kauai, which is one of the last living landmasses of Lemuria. And I'm just really connected to the Lemurian message and what is coming forth. And I'm writing a book about it. And so, yeah, stay tuned. But anyway, here it goes. So, Lemuria Rising. There is a density, a fog over the land, a heaviness that weighs us down. We almost feel overcome by it, overtaken by it. And just when we feel we're about to be swallowed up by its ominous presence, we feel something start to move beneath our feet. Very slowly and gently at first, and then it rises. And as it does, it clears the fog. It clears the density, and we feel lighter, freer, less dense. It flows over us like a wave, clears, releasing and energizing as it goes. I'll turn the page. We are clearer. Our head is empty. Our mind as sharp as a pin. And as if it all happened at once, we understand everything. How things work, what people are thinking, why they do the things they do, the planets in their orbits, and how they align, the inner workings of politics. We see the fear, the pain, and the motives of why people do what they do. We see all this with no judgment, just compassion and love and understanding. This is just the beginning of what Lemuria Rising is all about. So as you connect with Lemuria and you connect with the beautiful goddess Kauai today, just reflect on that, if you will. I'd love some feedback if you guys want to make some comments or message me privately. But to me, that's what Lemuria is. It's the shift in consciousness of going from fear and pain and worry to a place of joy and understanding and compassion. So anyway, that's my message for y'all today. Hope you're having an awesome day. You can see another beautiful day here in paradise. Look at that, huh? It's another beautiful day. Yeah, we're having a great weather here, which we absolutely love. So just sending blessings and dolphin hugs and kisses to you all, and we'll be in contact soon. Aloha.